Welcome back to the channel where English is real, simple, and actually useful.
Yes, no boring textbook English here. This is daily English for real life.
If you've ever studied English for years but still felt stuck when talking to real people,
Or you know grammar but freeze when someone says, "Hey, how's it going?"
then you're in the right place.
In this podcast, we speak the English people really use at home, at work, with friends, and in everyday life.
Short phrases, natural expressions, real situations.
English you can feel, not just memorize.
So relax, grab a cup of tea or coffee.
And let's learn English the natural way. Let's get started.
Hey everyone! Oh, wow, welcome back to the channel. If you're here right now, you're in the right place. Trust me.
Absolutely. Welcome to Miss English, where we speak real English. Dramatic pause. Not that boring textbook stuff nobody actually uses.
Yes, no weird sentences like, the pen of my uncle is on the table. Who even says that in real life?
Nobody. Literally nobody. That's why today we're starting something different.
This podcast is called Daily English for Real Life. And here's the deal. We help you speak English the way real people actually speak.
At work, at home, with friends, at the shop, on the phone, even when you're tired, nervous, or not confident.
Especially when you're not confident. Why textbook English fails you.
Let's be honest for a second. You studied English for years, but when someone talks to you, your mind goes blank.
You know the grammar, you know the words, but your mouth just refuses to cooperate.
Exactly, because textbooks don't teach real life.
Textbooks teach rules. Real life teaches reactions. Let's start super simple. Real life English starts with greetings.
Not, "How do you do?" Please, don't.
Unless you're in a movie from 1950.
So what do real people say?
Hey, hi, what's up? How's it going?
And guess what? Most of the time, people don't even expect a long answer.
You can just say, good, not bad, pretty good, can't complain.
Even if you can complain.
Here's a big problem learners have. When they don't understand something, they panic.
They smile. They nod. They pretend.
And later, they have no idea what just happened.
So let's fix that.
Real English phrases you can use. Sorry, can you say that again? Can you slow down a bit? I didn't catch that. What do you mean?
Using these doesn't make you weak. It makes you smart.
Small talk is everywhere. And yes, it matters.
Weather, food, daily life. Nothing deep, nothing stressful.
Examples?
Busy day, huh? This weather's crazy. Long day at work?
And you don't need perfect answers. Just be natural. Real life confession.
Let me tell you something honest. Nobody speaks perfect English all the time.
Native speakers make mistakes too. They forget words, they change sentences halfway.
Confidence doesn't come from perfection.
It comes from continuing. Mini practice moment.
Say this with me, out loud if you can. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. You? That's it. That's real English.
This is just the beginning.
In the next part, we'll talk about real English for daily situations: shopping, working, feeling tired, feeling happy.
Real emotions. Real words.
So don't go anywhere. Both, friendly, smiling. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. If you're still here, that means you're serious about learning real English, not boring textbook English. And trust me, real-life English is very different. Today, we're focusing on English you actually use every single day, at home, outside, on your phone, with friends, or even when you're tired and don't want to talk.
Exactly. No long grammar rules, no strange examples like the cat is under the table. Because honestly, who talks like that? We're going to show you how normal people really speak English.
Let's start with something very real. You come home, you're tired. Your brain is finished. Do you say, "I am extremely exhausted due to my daily responsibilities"? No, never.
You say things like, "I'm so tired. I'm done. I can't do anything today. My brain is off." That's real English.
And sometimes you don't even finish the sentence. You just say, "I swear," or "I can't." And everyone understands.
Let's talk about plans. Textbook English says, "Would you like to accompany me this evening?" Nobody says that.
Real English sounds like, "Want to go out later? Are you free tonight? Let's grab coffee. Do you feel like going out?" Simple, natural, easy.
And if you don't want to go, you don't say, "I regret to inform you that I am unavailable." You say, "I'm too tired. Maybe another day." Not today, honestly.
Someone asks, "How was your day?" You don't need a long story. You can say, "It was okay. Busy, but fine. Long day. Same as always." That's enough.
And if it was a bad day, you say, "It was rough. Not great, to be honest. It drained me." Short, honest, real.
Here's something important. Native speakers think while they talk. They say things like, let me think. Like...
Yes, and that's normal. So stop trying to speak perfectly. Perfect English sounds fake. Natural English sounds human.
Real life is full of reactions. Good news? Oh, nice, that's awesome. No way.
Bad news? That sucks. Oh no. Seriously? You don't need big sentences, just real feelings.
Quick question for you. If someone says, "I'm exhausted today," what would you reply? Maybe, "Same. I feel you. Yeah, me too." Perfect.
That's how real conversations work. Simple words, real emotions, no pressure. In the next part, we'll talk about English for awkward moments, mistakes, silence, and what to say when you don't know what to say. That happens a lot.
Stay with us. You're learning English the smart way. Real life English. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need usable English. All right. Before we finish today, let's slow down just a little and talk about something real. Not perfect English, not textbook English, just real-life English.
Yeah, the kind of English people actually use when they're tired, busy, happy, or even confused.
Exactly, because real life doesn't give you time to think about grammar rules. You just speak.
And sometimes you speak wrong. And guess what? Nothing bad happens.
Yes, that's the secret nobody tells you.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever stayed silent just because you were afraid of making a mistake? Most people have. And that silence is the real problem, not the mistake.
If you're listening to this podcast right now, you're already doing something great. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. If this podcast helped you even a little, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel. Bye!